In this video, we're going to show you how to use the angle cube to set an angle on the jigs for knives. So the first thing you want to do is turn the angle cube on, left button. I like to turn the light on here, so hold that down and it lights up. Okay, it's also the 0 out button, so we need that button. So what you're going to do first is put it onto the, we're wobbly here, so we can adjust our feet here. Hang on a sec. Okay. We're going to place the angle cube onto the crossbar here, and we're going to zero that out. That's our 0 angle, because that's the angle the knife is at. So it might take a couple times, try not to, okay, that's 0. Good. Okay, so from here, we're going to take our stone, put it into our stone holder, which I've already done. Put that on, and I'd like to put that in the middle, and generally in the middle of the stone. That's where I measure from. And pop the angle cube onto the stone holder. So now, right now, we're reading at 20.15. So over here at the Exacudrive is where all the business is here. So what I generally do is I want to have, when you get your jigs, it's all the way down for shipping purposes. It's all the way to the bottom here, but that leaves a lot of space here. And I like to get into the middle of that screw, because then you have to go up or down. You have about equal amount of distance to go. So about here is where I generally set to really sharpen, so that I can go up or down and I'm not bottoming out or topping off. Or topping out. So basically, that's the position I like to be in when we start. So with that said, we're at 19.9. In this case, I want to go 18 degrees or even 16, let's say. So if I want to use that, I could use the macro here to adjust. So I just unscrew the big screw here, let it drop. Okay, that's 16, 17. So I could go down with the macro again by turning the screw, or I could start using now the Exacudrive here. What I'm going to do is the Exacudrive, and make sure you go the right direction. And this is why I like to start in the middle, because now I'm going down a whole degree. Oh, 16.05. 16. Boom. So that's how you find your angle. Nope, maybe not. 5.59. It does get finicky. So here's where the Exacudrive really comes in. So I'm turning it 2 or 3 cogs and 16 degrees. So as long as nothing's moving or shaking, that's good. Make sure it takes a few seconds sometimes for the angle cube to register, because it is so exact, and the inside workings of this take a little bit. Sometimes you might have to reset it by just kind of lifting it up and give it a little love tap or something sometimes. So the Exacudrive is actually more exact than the digital angle cube itself. But once it's nailed in or dialed in, it's good to go. So there. So if we want to go back up again to 18 degrees or 17 where we were, I could go by 1 whole degree. 17. That was quick. Again, just takes a few seconds for it to register the move. Boom. 17. Hopefully it doesn't go to 16.95. You're good to go.